Hydrogen peroxide is one of those household items you've probably seen tucked away in your medicine cabinet. Most people think of it as just a disinfectant for cuts and scrapes, but this humble, fizzing liquid is a multitasking superstar. It has so many unexpected uses around the house that you might start to wonder how you ever lived without it. Whether you're looking for ways to save money on cleaning supplies, boost the health of your plants, or solve some of those annoying household problems, hydrogen peroxide has you covered. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into 10 of its best-kept secrets, and by the time you finish reading this, you'll be amazed at what this unassuming bottle can do. First on the list, laundry miracles. We've all been there. Your favorite white shirt gets stained with wine, coffee, or sweat, and no amount of scrubbing seems to help. Instead of resorting to harsh bleach, try hydrogen peroxide. Pour a cup of it directly into your washing machine to brighten whites, or apply it straight to the stain before tossing the garment in. It's gentle on fabrics, yet tough on stains, making it a lifesaver for anyone who wants to keep their clothes looking fresh. Next up, toothbrush disinfection. You probably don't think about the bacteria lurking on your toothbrush, but it's there and in abundance. Every time you brush, you're transferring germs back and forth. Soaking your toothbrush in hydrogen peroxide for a few minutes kills bacteria and leaves your toothbrush fresh and clean. Do this regularly, especially after an illness, and you'll keep those germs at bay. Then there's the issue of cutting board cleanliness. Whether it's wood or plastic, cutting boards can harbor bacteria from raw meat, veggies, or other foods. Instead of relying solely on soap and water, spray the surface with hydrogen peroxide. Let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic, then rinse it off. Your cutting board will be cleaner, safer, and ready for your next cooking adventure. But hydrogen peroxide doesn't just help indoors. It's a secret weapon for your garden too. Mix a tablespoon of it with a quart of water and use it to water your plants. The extra oxygen helps aerate the soil, combats root rot, and promotes stronger, healthier plant growth. It's like giving your garden a breath of fresh air, and it's completely natural. How about tackling one of the smelliest spots in your home, the garbage disposal? Over time, food particles can build up and create an unpleasant odor. Pour a little hydrogen peroxide down the drain and let it foam up. This action breaks down residue and kills bacteria that cause the smell. Rinse with hot water and your kitchen will smell much fresher. Pet owners, this one's for you. Dealing with peat stains and odors can be a nightmare, but hydrogen peroxide makes it manageable. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water, then spray it on the stain. Let it sit for a few minutes, scrub gently, and blot it dry. It not only removes the stain, but also neutralizes odors, leaving your carpets and upholstery pet-friendly and fresh. If your bathroom grout is looking more gray than white, it's time for a grout makeover. Hydrogen peroxide works wonders when combined with baking soda. Mix the two into a paste, apply it to grout lines, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Scrub it with a toothbrush, and watch as those lines return to their original brightness. No more expensive grout cleaners, just a simple, effective hack. Your windows and mirrors deserve some love too. Hydrogen peroxide is a fantastic streak-free cleaner. Spray it onto glass surfaces and wipe with a microfiber cloth. It's especially effective for removing smudges and fingerprints, giving you that crystal clear finish without resorting to commercial cleaners full of harsh chemicals. If you've ever opened your fridge and been hit with an unpleasant smell, you know how important it is to keep it clean. Use hydrogen peroxide to wipe down shelves and drawers. It's a gentle disinfectant that eliminates bacteria and odors without leaving behind any chemical residue. Your food will stay fresh, and your fridge will smell great. Last but not least, let's not forget about sponges. These cleaning tools often end up dirtier than the surfaces they clean. Soaking your sponge in hydrogen peroxide and water for a few minutes kills bacteria and extends its life. It's an easy way to keep your sponges fresh and ready to tackle even the toughest messes. So, there you have it, 10 powerful uses for hydrogen peroxide that go far beyond first aid. These hacks are practical, cost-effective, and incredibly simple to implement. With a bottle of hydrogen peroxide in hand, you can tackle everything from tough stains to smelly garbage disposals, and even give your plants a little extra love. If this list opened your eyes to the amazing potential of hydrogen peroxide, don't stop here. Hit the like button, share this with your friends who need a cleaning upgrade.